Now, let me have a short introduction to our office building of our Factory-HuaKe Industry Company Limited. We are one leading supplier of sprayware at China. We will be your best partner to support your success at supplying the best sprayware for your spray factory. Okay. First come through the gate. Okay, this is first floor. Yes, this is the vice president office. This is the production department manager office. Okay, you can have a tour. This is the finance office. This is the sales department. This is also export sales department. Okay, let's go to second building. Okay. This is finance. This is the RD department. Okay. This is our meeting room. You can see we have got many medals and honors from local government and our customers. We are the qualified supplier of China Railway. We have good quality and fast delivery and good price. This is one restroom. This is our president office. This is the first floor. Some room is empty for stocking some office equipment. Okay, my friend, if you have any need at the sprayware or spray steel wire or the nickel plated or nickel coated sprayware, you can contact the HuaKe sprayware. Our HuaKe will be your best partner to support your business. We will supply you best quality sprayware with fast delivery and good performance and best offer. Thank you.